If you are an e-com store owner and your ads are either breaking even or you're making a little bit of profit, I'm going to show you 3 ways right now that you can increase your ROAS so quick that you're going to want to give me money just for free. So stick around for this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to give you guys the 3 simple tricks you guys can use to increase your ROAS in these next 24 to 48 hours. So stick in this video and let's get right into it. All right, so you're running an e-com store, you're wondering, hey, how do I increase my ROAS? Well, the first thing is the lowest hanging fruit, right? You're getting traffic, you're getting people in your ecosystem. How do we increase the ROAS? Number 1 is going to be your abandoned cart recovery rates. Most people on Shopify stores are using SMS bump, they're using, the Shopify automated emails, but listen up. If you download Textcart right now, I'm getting upwards of 35% recovery rates, all the way up to 51% recovery rates on my abandoned carts. It's Textcart SMS abandoned cart recovery. It is the most lethal, little known app that no one's using right now. So download Textcart. It's completely automated. Pick the free plan. Okay, because or you pick the $49 a month plan. I would get the $49 a month. If you're obviously making over 6 figures a month, get the $249 a month. It's going to be very, very worth it. I have clients who have gotten upwards of $200,000 a year just recovering abandoned carts with Textcart. So trust me on this, it is lethal as shit. Okay. Number 2 is going to be Zipfy OCU. It's going to be the ability for you to upsell people either before checkout or post-purchase upsells. And your best 2 upsells are going to be, number 1 is more of the same. The best upsell is always, always, always more of the same. It's like the whole analogy of like, hey, if I get 1 Rolls Royce or 1 Lamborghini, I probably want to buy another one. I don't want to just go buy a Ferrari because that's not really the same thing that I was already enticed to buy. If they buy 1, pack of skin cream or 1 bottle of skin cream, obviously they want to buy another one because they're going to need another, extra days of supply. So your best upsell is always selling another of what they just bought. Another great upsell is faster or better results. So if I buy a pair of sneakers, right, I would say, hey, you know what? You got this colorway? Get the same sneaker in a second colorway. And that's the more of the same. And then the faster or better results is going to be a sneaker spray, laces, like a shoe where you basically can, form the shoe so that it doesn't crease. So a crease destroyer. Another one could be socks, maybe a pair of pants to match the shoes. Like those are all other upsells that are faster or better results. And number 3 is going to be Clavio. Okay. Clavio is a great email platform for Shopify store owners to allow them to obviously send email blasts to buyers, send email blasts to people who maybe just opted in, recover even more abandoned carts, and send welcome emails. And what I mean by that is if a buyer comes in your ecosystem right now and they're not getting at least 7 emails for 7 days, you're missing on tons of money. What we do with our clients is as soon as that person comes into the ecosystem, we find 7 products from most important to least, and we sell those for the next 7 days and 1 email a day for 7 days straight. And that's obviously picking up a good, I would say 5 to 10% extra revenue every single month. On top of that, we're sending daily email blasts where we are basically saying, hey, we have this product, we just released it, or hey, you got this, but you probably want this, 20% off, hit the link, it's gonna end in 3 hours, like grab it now kind of ordeal. Or like, hey, we have this private link for this new product, like click here and go check it out, like the curiosity bias. And then on top of that, we have our browse abandonment. So all the people who are clicking emails, going to the landing page and leaving, we now have browse abandonment sequences that are then grabbing those people saying, hey, we saw you checked out this offer, go back now and check out. Here's an extra incentive, maybe pay over time, free shipping, whatever the case may be, go back in and grab that item. And those are the 3 biggest ways that I'm increasing AOV right now.